everyone, it's Darla at Scrap Happens here with another 14 Days of Love project. This one is a super simple project. It's made with the striped treat bags and the meant to be stamp set and the Be Mine stitched framelits. These come as a bundle. So let me show you how I created it. Here is a plain bag. Now I wanted the zigzag to show, so I folded it over front way. I think I'm going to put like a big cookie in here. I think. I'm not 100% sure. So then I took just a little dimensional and put it right there just to hold it down. And then the dimensionals lift up pretty easy without tearing any of the tape. I put that in the wrong spot. So I put it down too far. I want it on this end right there, and then that will hold it in place. Next, I took one of those sweet little tags that come with the cute little safety pins. I've used them in another project. Oh, I can't remember what they're called. Let me see if I can find them real quick in the catalog. They're called the sweet pins and tags, and you get 3 different tags and then tag styles, and then you get 2 different colored safety pins. So I just stamped Happy Valentine's Day just right in the middle. I love these tags. They're really pretty. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on the edges. And then I wanted to cover that seam, so I just put the tag right over the top of it. And I left the little hole in there. I'm not going to put any thread through there. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Next I cut the stitched heart out with the Be Mine framelits, and you just put these 2 together and run it through your Big Shot. I put a little washi tape to hold it in place, and you come out with this. And you come out with a heart, obviously, that's in the middle, so you get a little more bang for your buck. And then what I did on here was I just put it on at an angle so the Happy Valentine's would show. I just used a little Snell adhesive on the sides. And added it to my tag. And then next I have a piece of white baker's twine and 2 pieces of linen thread. And I just slipped it right under the heart. And I like to do this after I've attached it because it gives me a little tension or resistance to tie my bow. Without resistance, I mean, you can do it in the air, but it's way harder. It's way easier to have a little resistance. And then I just tied a bow around there. Super simple, super cute treat bag to hold a special treat for your Valentine. Okay, that's it. I'll be back tomorrow with one more 14 Days of Love project. I have 2 left. I have one tomorrow and then one on, wait, tomorrow is, what day is it? Thursday. No, tomorrow's Friday. So I'll have one on Friday and then one on Saturday to share with you. Please come by if you like what you see. Please like it and comment on my videos, share it with your crafty friends, and follow me at Scrap Happens Here with Darla.com or on Facebook under Scrap Happens Here with Darla. That's all I have for you, dude. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a fantastic day and happy creating. Bye.